Hi darling, this is Sogan, your most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful runner crochet. This video is dedicated to you, so let's see together. Start the magic ring in chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook in first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make 2 double crochets in this ring, 1 and 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make 3 double crochets in same ring, 1, 2 and 3. Turn your work, skip first stitch and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in third stitch and make a slip stitch in this space. Chain 1, make a single crochet and chain 1. This is my first double crochet. Make 2 double crochets in same space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make 3 double crochets again in same space, 1, 2 and 3, and turn. Skip first stitch and make a slip stitch in next stitch, make a slip stitch in third stitch and make a slip stitch in this space. Chain 1, make a single crochet and chain 1. This is my first double crochet. Make a double crochet and make a double crochet again. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets in same space, 1, 2 and 3. Continue until you reach the desired length. Repeat for an odd number. For crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers, I crochet 23 petals. Chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a slip stitch in 5th petal. In the middle of these 2 double crochet, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the middle of these 2 double crochet, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in next petal. In the middle of these 2 double crochet, chain 14 again and repeat. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a slip stitch in 5th petal, chain 3 and repeat. At the end, chain 14 and make a slip stitch in 5th petal. Now I'm going to crochet chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Make a slip stitch in first petal, chain 14 and repeat. Please crochet like the other side, chain 14 and make a slip stitch in 5th petal. chain 3, 1 2 3, and make a slab stitch in next petal. Chain 3 and make a slab stitch in next petal. Keep repeating. Chain 14 and make a slab stitch in fifth petal. Chain 14 again and make a slab stitch. Okay, chain 14 and make a slab stitch. Now I'm going to crochet 20 double crochets in first space. 1 2 and keep going. I crochet 20 double crochets and make a slab stitch in this stitch in the middle of these two space. Make 20 double crochets in the space of 14 chains and make a slab stitch in the middle of these two spaces of 3 chains. Keep repeating. Now I'm going to crochet 20 single crochets on top of the runner. Make 20 single crochets on top of the runner. If you enjoy my videos, please like and comment so more people can watch my contents. Glad you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Many thanks. Make a slab stitch in first double crochet, chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch. Keep going. I crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times. Now skip next 2 stitches and make a double crochet in first double crochet of next flower, chain 2 and skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch. Keep going. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now I reach the top. Make a slab stitch in each stitch of single crochet. Make a slab stitch in each stitch of single crochet. Here is the top of the runner. Make a slab stitch in each single crochet. Make a slab stitch in each single crochet. Make a slab stitch. You should crochet 20 slab stitches. Make a double crochet in first double crochet, chain 2 and repeat the other side of runner. I crochet the other side of runner and make a slip stitch in each stitch. Here is the top of the runner. Please crochet the slip stitch in each stitch of the top of the runner. Now I'm going to crochet the slip stitch in third chain. Make a slip stitch in first space, chain 5, and make a slip stitch in next space, chain 5, and make a slip stitch in next space, chain 5, and make a slip stitch in next space. Okay, chain 5 and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 5 and make a slip stitch in next space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. Now skip one space and make a slip stitch in next space, chain 5 and repeat. I crochet all around and make a slip stitch on top. This is my second part of runner. I crochet 3 spaces, chain 2, skip 3 spaces of first part of runner and make a slip stitch, chain 2, make a slip stitch in second part, chain 2 and make a slip stitch in first part, chain 2 and make a slip stitch in second part, I connect the 4 and 5 spaces of first part and second part of runner, chain 5 and make a slip stitch, chain 5 and make a slip stitch twice, and the last time chain 5 and make a slip stitch 3 times. Skip one space and make a slip stitch in next space, chain 5 2 3 4 5 and make a slip stitch, chain 5 1 2 3 4 5 and make a slip stitch twice and 3 times. Now I'm going to connect the second part to first part, chain 2 and insert your hook in fourth space of first part and make a slip stitch, chain 2 1 and 2 and make a slip stitch in next space, chain 2 and make a slip stitch in next space, chain 2 and make a slip stitch in next space, 1 2 3. I connected 4 and 5 spaces, chain 5 and make a slip stitch in next space 3 times, twice, and 3 times. Now skip 1 space and make a slip stitch in next space and keep going. I connected make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch, and I'm going to crochet slip stitches on top, then make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch in first space, chain 5 and make a slip stitch. Please complete the other side of second part. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. You can make the runner wider and longer as you like. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We truly appreciate you. Bye for now.